In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and survive 500 days and 99 nights in the forest. This is not a normal survival run. After day 100, the win condition is gone, and the game turns into a test of automation, stability, and patience. If this guide does help you out, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now here in 99 Nights in the Forest, enemy difficulty eventually plateaus. What doesn't plateau though is resource decay, player error, and lag. So at day 500, you're no longer playing the game. You're essentially maintaining a system. If you try to manually field the fire for hundreds of days, you will mess up eventually, and one mistake will end the run. So what you're going to want to do is do total fire automation. There's two different ways that you could do this. The way that I personally recommend is using a quad oil drill stack. So find an oil vein where you can place 3 or 4 oil drills. Position them so barrels drop directly into the fire. No storage, no pickup, no interaction. This setup will guarantee permanent level 6 fire without even touching it. Now, I'd also recommend doing a backup log system if you don't have any drill stack. Essentially, use conveyor belts if available in your version, or build gravity-fed log chutes from a nearby forest. Logs will fall straight into the fire without even having to use any player input. And on top of that, I would make sure that you have a lightning rod grid. One lightning rod is not going to be enough for 500-day runs. Place at least 3 lightning rods around your base. Storms are going to become so frequent over these long runs, and one unlucky lightning strike during a bathroom break can end a 400-day save. Redundancy really does matter. Now, I'm going to be honest, at day 500, monsters really are not the problem. Dropped items are going to be the main issue. Hundreds of nights of raids leave behind bones, pelts, seeds, scraps, and if you ignore them, the game's going to drop to something like 1 FPS, or it's just going to crash entirely. Just make sure that you're, of course, periodically collecting all trash items and dumping them into something like a biofuel processor or a campfire, because it's going to delete them from the world permanently. By day 200 plus, the red cultists are going to have so much health that walls really don't matter as well. I'd recommend focusing building your base on something like a water base or a sky base. As long as the fire is automated, nothing can reach you except the deer. And then, of course, make sure that you're maximizing the time multiplier, because in order to reach day 500 without losing your mind, days have to pass in a few seconds. You're going to need to have all 4 children rescued. You're going to need to have the maximum number of builds built. This is going to push the time multiplier to its limit. And then, of course, keep a chest full of carrot stew. Use a crockpot setup so hunger never really becomes an issue, and check in every few minutes, because the game can essentially just run by itself if you're doing this, because at this point the game's just going to become a background process while you get to day 500. It really is as simple as that, though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.